Alright, welcome back everyone. In this video we're going to learn how to add and remove widgets. Okay, now in order to do that, just head over to appearance and click on widgets. Now adding and removing widgets is quite easy. Okay, now before we do this, let's visit our website so that you get to see the widgets when we remove them. Okay, now if you scroll down a bit, you can see that we have a widget for recent posts, we have a widget for recent comments, we have a widget for archives, for categories, meta, and yeah, just these ones are here. Now if you head back to your widgets, you can see them: the recent post widget, the recent comment, archive, categories, and meta. And we're going to remove all these. We don't really need them. We're going to remove this and leave only the search widgets. Now you don't need to save anything. Just go back and refresh the page and you should see that these widgets are gone. Now we're just left with this. And if you need to add them back, you can easily add back any of the widgets you want. You can add a calendar widget and you can give it a title. Okay, just need to call it calendar and click on save. When you add a widget, you need to save the widgets. Okay, what other widgets should I add? Nothing much. You can add an image widget as well if you want. You can add an image, and then you need to specify the image. Okay, you need to add the image. So I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna remove it as I don't have an image to add on this widget yet. Okay, you can even add your navigation to this widget if you like. Okay, let's do this. You can just click and drag and then drop it and call it menu, whatever. Select the main menu. For now just have one menu. Click on save. Now let's reload and you should see this widget will appear. Boom, you can see it works. Okay, and that's how easy it is to add and remove widgets. I'm just gonna go back and remove these widgets again, and that's it for widgets. Okay, I'll see you in the next video.